Welcome to Lexus of Royal Oak. Here we have one of our new units. It is a 2019 RX350 executive package in the eminent white pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features do include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the LED daytime running lights. Also go with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, head-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane keeping assist with steering assist, a dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, a QI-compatible wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select, center locking differential, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats in the parchment interior, rear door manual sunshade, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.